What if I let AI run my entire week, from my calendar to my meals to when I should sleep? This week, I handed over my life to artificial intelligence, and here's what happened. First, I asked 4 AI tools to plan my week: ChatGPT for ideas, Notion AI for scheduling, Google Gemini for meal and fitness planning, and Claude AI for mindfulness and journaling. They synced up to create a full 7-day plan, every task, every meal, every break, optimized by data. Every task, every meal, every break, optimized by data. Day 1 felt exciting, like having 4 personal assistants. My calendar pinged every hour with new tasks: write, stretch, meditate, eat. But by midday, I realized the AI underestimated my love for procrastination. By Wednesday, things got weird. Gemini told me to try a mindful salad for lunch, Notion AI wanted me to journal about productivity guilt, and ChatGPT added a 5 p.m. brainstorming walk in the rain. My AI overlords meant well, but coordination wasn't their strength. But here's the plot twist. AI actually made me more productive. It grouped tasks smarter than I would, gave me time to rest, and even reminded me to call my parents. Turns out AI knows balance better than I do. At the end of the week, I didn't become a robot, but I learned how AI can help humans structure chaos. If you blend AI's precision with your own intuition, that's where the magic happens. So would you let AI plan your week? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to future AI tools for more experiments on how AI is shaping real life, one week at a time.